Good morning, guys. I'm actually up relatively early for a change, and wow, wasn't disappointed with this place at all. So I think it's called Parking Toful De Mar. Yeah, Toful De Mar, near Tarragona, and we had a beautiful sunset last night, absolutely stunning. There's no services here at all, so you need to be self-contained. There's no toilets or anything. There is some recycling bins. There's a train line running not too far away, which is fine. It wasn't really particularly loud, but the trains are moving quite fast. And then what you have is this just beautiful beach. Show you the other way. See what it looks like. It's just stunning. And today we've been. Looks like it might be some kind of holding area for boats going into Barcelona port. I'm sure you'd probably much rather be looking at the image of the beach in the sun. You got me, so just having a walk along. So we've got a few establishments along the beach. They're reasonably spaced out. I'm probably about a kilometre up the beach from the van. Been 2 or 3 restaurants. Not sure whether they're open or closed. It's difficult to tell. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Temperature's okay. I've got a coat on, but really for the breeze rather than temperature. And it's just stunning. Really peaceful to see, as I've just shown you, right out there. One of them's a massive private boat. A million boats out there. There's about 3 or 4 vans left, and it is just stunning. Even though you've got a super yacht, you want to pay the cheaper moorings.
Oh, everybody's trying to save money.
Even the billionaires.
Yeah.
Did Steps or something come here?
Reds came to Tarragona. There you go, darling. Now keep going straight on. So the Turia is down there.
Yeah.
It used to go that way.
And they diverted it.
Yeah.
Due to the flooding. Bizarrely.
And then flooded other parts of
straight on or right? Right.
you're going
Mislata,
right.
yeah.
Yeah. Didn't you have a teacher called Mislata?
El segundo.
Second exit, yeah.
Sí, todo recto.
Look round. Handy to know there's a Mercadona there.
So Michelle and I just arrived here at a place called Mislata, which is on the outskirts of Valencia. We saw Red to Go Travels come here a year or two ago, so we made a note of the place. And if I just pan round, there's 2 car parks. This one over here has got lots of motorhomes in. Behind me, there's 2 massive cranes. There you go, see those there. So it looks like they're just starting the process of putting in the foundations for a couple of high-rise. And I guess that might mean, longer term, that these are no longer usable. But hey ho, for now, it looks good. The buzzing you can hear is the cranes behind me. There's a few camper vans and motorhomes here. And yes, here we go. Look at that. Gluten-free, alcohol-free beers to go with it as well. Got waste bins. So is that the first time we've ever used the inverter?
No, we've used it with the hot pot. But that, because that kettle's...
It's maybe the 4th time we've ever used the inverter.
No, we've used it a few times. Yeah. It's not a big inverter, is it?
No. It'll do for boiling the kettle. So.
My camera all set up as well and have the wrong turning.
How you doing, fella? You're looking well, bro. You're looking well. Right. See where that car is down there now, where the truck's coming out? Yeah, basically turn in there and the black van up in the beautiful. See me, mate? Yeah. I'll run over if you want. We can pretend that we've just met. Is that Brett Man Valley van?
Bring it in,
Bloody
bro.
hell, bro. I'm so glad we could do this.
Oh, this is epic. How you doing?
All right.
You're looking so well.
So pleased to meet you
Hello.
guys. Right,
Hello.
I'm going to turn the camera off. You guys haven't seen them for months.
Yeah.
That is so perfect. We've had such a... Lee, you've got to go and do a temperature check.
So temperature check inside the van is a balmy 21 degrees. That's without the fire on.
I don't think you need the fire.
And we didn't bless the food either, didn't we?
No, we didn't bless the food. We didn't.
Today Pebble Beach underneath pier just been painted red, where I heard the news for the first. Can you hear me now? This is Planet Earth. You're looking at Planet Earth. is planet Earth. Jesus in a camper van. He said, sorry to leave you, but I've done all I can. I suppose giving the son of God gets it hard sometimes. Jesus in a camper van. He said, sorry to leave you, but I've done all I can. I suppose giving the son of God gets it hard sometimes. Woo! Hope you didn't catch a tan. Hope you found the right man who fix it for you. Since I come on home, my body's been a mess. I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Mr. Bretman Valleyvan on drums. Oh baby, please give a little respect. Don't leave me now. Don't leave me now. Oh. Stay with me for the longest time. If I did all again, I know we'd be fine. I miss you so, even though you don't know. So why you say you're gonna meet me there? Wait, take this chance to put things right. Stay with me for the longest time. 'Cause if I did all again, I know we'd be fine. You can look and see the screen in the sun. So good morning folks. We had a wonderfully peaceful night here in a car park in Valencia. So it's a place called Mislata, M-I-S-L-A-T-A, and it's actually a building site. You can see behind me, I probably showed you this last night. They just put in what looks to be 2 high-rise blocks in. We were joined last night. We arranged to meet up with our amazing friend Bretman Valleyvan. We had a superb night catching up. Today we're going to drive toward Alicante. I think we may stop off in the hills. I've just given Brett a stopover from night before last. He's given us his before he went to Benidorm. So we can't get into El Campello beach campsite, which we booked into from later this week. So yeah, that'll be us done. So just pleased to have been around 3 or 4 times. No grief, we're not camping, we're just in our vans, keeping ourselves to ourselves, and yeah, it's all been good. Michele and I had a long old chat with Brett. It's a bit late leaving. Totally worth it.
Park. That's where the 5 spaces are. The service is here, but actually we parked here and it was absolutely fine. So you know, if you need to stop, it's on the way.
You, yeah.
I'm just getting some footage of the main man.
Well, you send it to me. Woo! See you soon.
Nice. Thank you.
See you soon.
Thank you.
Take care. Lots of love.
Safe journey.
Yeah, and you.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Yeah, love to. Safe journey, mate.
Woo!
Cheers.